guess what I just got in the mail? We got the STI wing for yet another modification for my 2024 WRX. We have the actual wing itself. It came paint matched to the World Rally Blue Pearl, which I believe the color code is K7X. The two bases that go on the sides, I believe. And of course, they added a little bit of a cutout where it tells you kind of like where to drill the holes, and nonetheless the hardware. So let's get everything unboxed. I do need to pick up a few things from the store, you know, just a few bits to be able to drill through. I need a few different attachments, and we can get right to it. I'm so excited, oh my god. On some weather guards that you can kind of see right there. So weather guards, exhaust, now we're repping a wing. I'm pretty sure the next thing that I want to do is probably a cold air intake with, I don't know, like window tint, something like that, you know, kind of matter. But yeah, driving right now to the store to grab the drill bits that I need, and then we're gonna drill through my trunk, and it's gonna absolutely kill me. It's gonna be a really weird pain that I haven't felt in a long time. Alrighty, so this wing did come in multiple pieces, and I kind of, damn, this shit's tall. I kind of opened it a little bit just to, you know, get a little bit of the color at least sampled. So this is kind of a live reaction. Dude, it's the exact color. So it came paint matched. It's the exact World Rally Blue. Oh my god, it even has the pearl and everything. This wing is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so what I've came down to is I have no idea what attaches to this because there's these. I don't know if those are the bases or if this is the base. I would assume that's the bases because it comes out kind of like this, V's up, and then there's the actual wing on top. But regardless, dude, look at that color. All right, so my garage lighting is horrible. I really wish that I had white LEDs. But first step is gonna be to take off this liner in the inside of the trunk. I lost my flathead, so I'm gonna use a butter knife. All right, liner is now off. So they were nice enough to add the actual templates on where they're supposed to go. I'm not sure if you can see these little things, but that's exactly where you drill. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some painter's tape right now, or some masking tape, and just kind of line up these edges perfectly, tape it down, and then we'll start prepping for drilling. Just got done with the first side. As you can see those holes in there. I just drilled through my brand new car's trunk. This is absolutely terrifying. This was such a horrible feeling, just feeling go through the paint, through the metal, and all the way through. Oh my god, I don't think I've ever felt something that panicky in my life. And I'm gonna put the first base on to see if I even did it right, because I'm so scared. I'm so scared to put this base on. I'm so scared that I didn't do it right. Alrighty, new wing reveal. How we feeling? No, I'm kidding. Also, I added a little flashlight from my phone just to kind of make a little bit more light in here. Anyways, this was a horrible install. It wasn't horrible, it went really well, but I hated it. And it wasn't fun, and a lot of the time I thought that I screwed up. And it's really scary when you're drilling into your car. And you're wondering, did I do it right? Are these gonna move? The answer is no. But yeah, so pretty much all we have to do is kind of just put 2 and 3 and 7 and 8 and 11 together, and we'll have a wing, yeah. Okay, skipped a lot of the process because it was really tedious. I needed another pair of hands to help me. But here's that finished product. You can't even see it. Here, let me put my flashlight on. Oh my god. Dude, it's beautiful. Dude, it fits the body style so well. Oh my god. Wow, I'm definitely gonna have to get a few more clips during the day, but for right now, jeez. As promised, here's a little daytime clip of what it's looking like during the day. Couldn't really see it too well last night. Obviously, it's not as clean as it was. Take a look at my wheel well over here. It snowed a lot, and I heavily took advantage of that. because I am freezing my ass off. It is 12 degrees right now, which is insane because it's sunny out. God, but anyways, that's about 180 horsepower added to my WRX. So we're sitting at maybe like 420 right now because I installed that wing. I'm kidding. Anyways, I'm gonna try to be a little bit more consistent with uploading. Hopefully just push as many videos out as I possibly can for you guys. And I know I say that every time, but I really would like to. So if you liked the video, make sure to show it some love. Comment down below pretty much anything you can think of that you think that would look pretty good on, you know, whatever other mod that I can do to my VB, and we'll kind of go from there. But until next time, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you later.